Hi there and welcome to my channel. I'm Liz and today I have one of my favorite hauls for you, and that is J.Crew and J.Crew Factory. Now, I received a ton of packages because it is a store that I shop at often, and so I did have some returns, so I did have to open everything. So this is not going to be my normal format of first impression videos. I did have to open everything up and pull out. I didn't think you guys wanted to see all of the previous items that I had to get in different sizes, but if you do want to check out those hauls, because a lot of those items are still in stock, I'll link those videos down below for you to watch next. But if you're interested to see what I picked up this round and how I decided to style it, then just keep watching. All right, ladies, let's start out with one that has been on my list for a while. So I have been wanting to get, you know, some shade of brown or camel top coat. And so then I saw this one at J.Crew a while ago and I was keeping an eye on it. Then when they had the recent sale, which everything is on sale. So if you don't normally shop at J.Crew or it's a little on the pricier side for you, I would say check it out now. Their prices are so great right now. It's a good way to get introduced to the brand and get things at a really, really good price. They actually even have a lot of final sale items right now. So definitely check out the website. And if you use my link below, you get a little extra off, and that's a good way to start it all off. So this is a lovely wool top coat. It has a beautiful lining on the inside with some red line stitching, which I love. Red and camel color together, just really beautiful. It does have the single button closure there and two front pockets. I picked this up in a size 14 because I need a 14 if I want to drape it. I do have the lady top coat in a 12, and that's more fitted because I like to wear that over maybe a silk or satin blouse or maybe a dress. So for a little lighter underwear, not underwear, but you know what I mean. And so I wanted to size up for a looser feel, and I think that this is just lovely. Yeah, so a nice heavyweight, beautiful long-term coat, really, really nice craftsmanship. So if you were in the market, definitely check out J.Crew's coats. And just because I was wearing this one today, I actually have it up here. So I just wanted to show you real quick because I think this is just probably one of my favorite jacket purchases ever. And I believe it's on sale right now. This jacket was just stunned me when it came. It's just very gorgeous. I love the interior stitching detail, the weight of the coat, the color, all of the exterior stitching detail is just really, really beautiful. All right, ladies, and next up is this gorgeous tank and camisole set, which I loved. And when I saw it online, and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to try it. Comes in so many beautiful colors, and really it's kind of a 2-for-1 because this would be, well, I think this is great to layer all year round. You could definitely wear it in the fall and winter, but then in the cooler days in the spring or even cooler nights in the summer, this is going to be just lovely. And the tank top is kind of buttoned into place there, but you can certainly disconnect it and wear them separately. So for the first look, I kind of did a monochrome look that I think would be great for work or just something a little more formal that you needed to go to, but this can certainly transition into an everyday wear with just some jeans or flats as well. And it has just 3 kind of muted gold buttons there. The outer layer is kind of a ribbed design, whereas the sleeves have a cable knit, and then the back is just a plain ribbed as well. And then the tank has the cable knit design on it as well. And I am always a fan of an ivory shade. I think they call this Heather Natural. And I just think it is absolutely beautiful, and I will get a lot of use out of this. All right, and the next item I picked up are these satin trousers. I picked them up in a size 12, and I'm gonna need you ladies' second opinion. I'll look back at editing as well. So they felt really great on. They felt good around my waist. I kind of liked how they hang. There's no belt loops, but there are side slotted pockets here, and then a tab closure with the backup button and a zipper. There are 2 slotted pockets in the back as well, and I really like the length and everything. And I've been loving satin and silk pants this year. I thought these would be a little more forgiving looking in black, but I don't know. When I just reviewed the footage a little bit, and I was like, I don't know. I need to ask the ladies on that one. So maybe if they were worn tighter. So I think these are supposed to actually be really fitted because it says it's supposed to like sculpt and things. I don't know how, and I just don't think that'd be appealing on me wearing a kind of yoga type top pant. But if that is a fit that you like, I would say definitely give them a try. They're real like substantial. As far as satin pants go, I would say these are my thickest ones that I have, or that I've even come across. The material is like nice and thick, and which is nice because you can just wear it all year round or even in the evening, and it'll be a little warmer. But I'm not sure on the size and fit on me, but again, I liked how they felt on, so I'm on the line on these. And then because these were actually on a final sale, they were such a good price, and I do not have this shade. It's almost it's called espresso, and I thought it was dark brown, but I'm getting maybe a tiny tinge of maroon. But maybe not. It's kind of hard for even me to tell. So it might just be pure espresso. So I thought these were really cute with the croc embossed, and I don't have this shade. It has a nice good size block heel. The only thing that I guess I wasn't aware of, and then when I got them, I was like, oh gosh, there is no zipper. And I generally like a zipper because they can be hard to get on and off. These were a bit hard to get on and off, but there is stretch. So I think that's just going to be dependent on kind of your arch and, you know, the size of your foot and all those things. But if you're in the market, they do have several colors, and for the price, they are good quality. Like, they look really nice. These are going to be really great under, you know, denim, and can just be worn all year round. The only thing, I wish they had a zipper. That's probably maybe why they're on final sale. I'm not sure. But overall, some good choices if you are in the market for some boots. With this cute faux suede mini skirt. So mini skirts are in, and I love J.Crew so much. I was like, let me try their version out, and this had pockets. So I was like, okay, the color, the price, and pockets. I was like, let me try that. So this would be great if you wanted to pair it with some tights or just some tall boots like I did. Depending on your weather, you could also just put a big old trench coat or long coat over the entire outfit. I think definitely a cute look. It does have a clasp in the back and then a zipper to get it on and off. It feels great, and it's a nice thick material. I guess what I liked most about this is it wasn't too mini. And I'm tall, so that's really good, because usually anything that says mini is too short, but I come across ones that aren't, and that's why I have to just try them out, because you never really know until you get it on and kind of how you wear it on your waist. But this also comes in a darker brown, which is that would be just really beautiful for the wintertime as well. So can't go wrong with a classic suede skirt. And I picked up a couple of the girlfriend tees, and I just love these. I kind of am always buying a white or black shirt just because I like to have a ton of them. I mostly go through them very fast because I get makeup on them. I know I could take them off more careful, but I don't. And so, you know, if I'm wearing a lot of white shirts for any particular reason at a time. You know, it just builds up in my laundry. I do a load at once. But I saw this kind of burnt orange color and I was like, oh, that's so cute. I want to try that. So this one I picked up in a large, and the white is extra large. Just for sizing, so you can see. I didn't find a huge difference in the size, so it kind of just depends what you like. If you like a more fitted look, probably my size I would say is a medium, but I like a relaxed look, so I went for the large, and then I kind of like a relaxed to oversized fit as well sometimes, so opted for the extra large. But at the price that they have them at, I mean, that's like it's 100% cotton. You really can't go wrong. And then I saw these flats and I was like, those are classics. I have to pick them up. And I believe they're about 40 bucks each, which is, now we're at like Amazon, Walmart pricing for flats. And these are pretty substantial. What I liked most, my favorite pumps that I have a cutout here. And I think that that is pretty unique. It's kind of not your average style, but then it has the almost like almond to point toe, which is exactly the one I like. I don't like the super long pointy and not the super rounded. So I loved the shape of the toe, and they're pretty comfortable. They do have a little padding, but you certainly could put, you know, the foot pads or arch support in there. And no heel. And then I did pick them up in the tan, which I think they're calling almond, and then the black. And to me, I just thought they were, you know, classics, and I liked the unique design. So good closet staple. All right, and last but not least is this gorgeous neutral Fair Isle sweater. I think it is a winter staple, and I saw this one in neutral, some of my favorite colors, and had to scoop it up. So definitely a great price and a beautiful feeling top. I love the kind of a crew neck top here and a little tiny puff sleeve. The sleeves are also a really great length, and I did pick this up a bit oversized in the extra large to wear kind of a little more casual. If you like wearing baggier bottoms and whatnot though, you could definitely get it in your size, and it would be a beautiful winter addition. All right, ladies, and of course I will have all these items linked down below with my sizing information as well. If you enjoyed this video, found it informative, fun, be sure to give it a like so YouTube will press it out to more ladies that it can potentially help. And be sure to subscribe because I actually have several hauls coming up. I have done some serious shopping in the last couple weeks, so lots of fun stuff to share with you. And I thank you so much for stopping in today and spending some of your time with me. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you in the next one.